Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can send a message to yourself on Instagram. So, if you need to have or you want to save a quick notes or reminders or important links on Instagram, you can just use the DMs feature. But if you don't want to bother anyone or your friends by cluttering your message or your DMs with them, you can just message yourself so that you can save that notes reminder or links on your conversations with yourself. So in here, I'm going to tell you, let's just launch the Instagram app. So after the Instagram is open, now you can just start a new conversation with yourself by going to the DM. So let's just click on this messenger icon at the top right corner. And then here you can just click on this search bar at the top. Then just find your Instagram username. So in here, for example, I'm going to find my Instagram, and you can see this is my Instagram. You can click on the account, on your account. Now to start send a message to yourself, you can just add it in here. For example, I'm going to add a reminder for me and from me. So for example, don't forget to upload a video, for example. Okay, you can just tap on send, and now this message will be sent. So here I'm messaging myself, and when I click on it, so this is my profile right here. Okay, so that's pretty easy. You can also add a link if you want to, or you can also add sticker or anything to message to yourself. And if you want to delete this conversation or this message, you can just long press on it, and there will be this delete options. And that's all for me. You can stay organized and keep your important information at your fingertips with this simple trick. You can save anything, and only you can read this because you messaging yourself. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you have any question, you can leave a comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, and to keep supporting our channel, don't forget to click on thanks and also click on subscribe button. I'll see you all on next tutorial. Bye.